This is the first core topic, loss of indices. This belongs to medium level. Let's see the first example. 2a to the power 3 times bracket negative 7a to the power 4. So here you just need to times the number together. So you can use the number here, 2, the numbers here, negative 7. So 2 times negative 7. So times the number first, and then a to the power 3 times a to the power 4. You can write it down, a to the power 3 times a to the power 4. So for the first part, 2 times negative 7 equal to negative 14. And for the part a to the power 3 times a to the power 4, just applying the loss of indices. This law, a to the power m times a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So here you just have a to the power 3 plus 4. So which is negative 14 times a to the power 7. That's it. Here we apply the same skills. We separate the number and the unknown first. So we separate 4 over 18 times a to the power 2 over a to the power 5. So 4 over 18, we just use the skills for simplifying fractions. So you divide it by 2 for the upper part. 4 divided by 2, you get 2. 18 divided by 2, you get 9. So you have 2 over 9 for the number. And for the second part, you just need to apply a to the power m over a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. So here you have a to the power 2 minus 5. So what you have, 2 over 9 times a to the power negative 3. For negative power, you need to change it to positive power. 2 over 9 times 1 over a to the power 3. From this step to this step, we applied a to the power negative n equal to 1 over a to the power n. So that's why a to the power negative 3 equal to 1 over a to the power 3. So for the upper part, 2 times 1 give you 2. For the bottom part, denominator, 9 times a to the power 3, just 9a power 3. That's it. Now, let's see the last example for medium level. So here, a to the power 2 bracket to the power negative 3. So we need to know this law, a to the power m bracket to the power n. So you just simply use a to the power m times n. So here we can have a to the power 2 times negative 3. So 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. So a to the power negative 6, just like a to the power negative n, we change it to positive 1 over a to the power n. So here a to the power negative 6, which equal to 1 over a to the power 6. That's it.